Welcome to Smart Quiz Builder. My name is Veena Prashant. I'm the creator of this plugin. Smart Quiz Builder is the world's best quiz and survey plugin for WordPress. Now, great marketing is all about educating your audience where they themselves reach the conclusion that your product is the right fit for them. So, education can be boring, where people tune out after a little bit, or education can be fun and interactive. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing way you can do content marketing using interactive video quizzes. Now, we used to have a quiz on our DAP site. It was a really nice quiz, and the quiz was designed to let them know if a DAP is the right fit for them or not, right? But it wasn't a video-based quiz. It was just a regular text quiz. So I just created an interactive video quiz, took the same quiz we had before, but transformed it into an interactive video-based format. I want to show you what we had before. I'll show you how we have transformed it into this new interactive video format, exactly the same content, but delivered differently, and how you can do the same. I'll take you behind the scenes to show you exactly how I built this quiz. So first, let me show you what we had before, then I'll show you what we have now, and then I'll show you step by step how I built it and how you can do the same. So this is our DAP sales page. Now, DAP is a membership and LMS plugin for WordPress. And here you can see at the top, there's a video that explains why DAP and what makes DAP different and all that. And right below it, there is a quiz. Is DAP the best membership plugin for you? And this quiz is powered by Smart Quiz Builder, of course. And this button is from SQB. So we are using button pop-up quiz here. When users click on this button, it shows the quiz in a pop-up, right? And this is a simple quiz. No videos here, just simple text-based quiz. And we are using branching logic. This is a smart quiz. Depending on the answers, we send them to the right next question, right? Because the goal is to let people know if DAP is going to work for them or if it's not going to work for them, depending on their answers. For example, if they say, I'll not be using WordPress, we directly send them to an outcome screen and let them know, sorry, DAP is a membership plugin for WordPress. It's not going to work for you. And if they say, I'll be using WordPress, then we ask a few more questions and then we send them to an outcome screen, sort of educating them about DAP throughout this quiz to let them know what DAP can do. And if they have additional questions about DAP, they can let us know through an open-ended question, right? That's the purpose of this quiz. I'm going to quickly take this quiz just to show you how it works. Yes, I have a membership site. Current frustrations, your content model, what do you plan to offer from your membership site? They can select one or more responses. Here, your billing model, they can select one or more responses. Access, they can select whatever they want. And this is just to get an idea in terms of what they're looking for in their membership plugin, right? So they can answer all these questions. There is an open-ended question, very important when you have a quiz to let people let you know in their own words, whatever it is they need your help with, right? So any specific membership features you're looking for, they can let us know here. For example, gamification features, continue. So here they can opt in and we'll let them know after they opt in if that is the right fit for them and if it can do whatever it is they are looking for. And there's also a free gift to get them to opt in here, right? This is how this quiz worked, right? Pretty smart quiz, but just simple text-based quiz. And it got the job done, right? We had great results from it, but I was looking for a little bit more personalized, interactive type of quiz. So now I want to show you what we have done and how we have transformed this exact same quiz into a new format. Let's take a look. So this is the same DAP site. Everything is the same, top part, right? Same thing, nothing changed. The only thing that has changed now is the quiz. So let me take you down here and show you what's happening here. All right, you can see here. This is set to autoplay in the back end of SQB. And you can turn off autoplay if you don't want it, but it's going to play on mute due to browser restrictions. All right, so it's playing, but users can see it says click to unmute. They can unmute it. The video will start playing. I'm also using captions here so they can see, right? And they can click on it to watch the entire video. It's a really short video. All of my videos in this quiz, they are not more than like 20 seconds long. And most of them are actually 10 seconds long, really short ones. It's a great way to build a personal connection, right? People that have come to this site, a lot of people, they don't know me. But you can instantly establish a connection with them through this video format, right? So definitely is going to make a huge difference in terms of capturing the attention, engaging your audience, and getting them to click the button to take the quiz and convert, right? Let me click on this and show you what happens next. Now, this is the exact same quiz as the other one. The only thing that has changed now is how I am delivering it. The format has changed. I am using videos now, right? Not just text. And this is an in-page quiz. I'm not using pop-up. But you can see here, again, I have a video here that was on autoplay, really short video again. Before, this was just a text question with a few responses. They could just pick and go to the next question. It didn't really give us an opportunity to build a personal connection with them as you can with this interactive video format where they can see you. All right. So I asked the question here. You can see again, caption, and you can set up captions. The backend of SQB. This is part of SQB's interactive video quiz template. You can add captions for each one of your screens. And also you don't have to do videos for each one of your screens, right? In my case, I have done a video for each one of my screens, pretty much all of the screens except one. But that's up to you. You don't have to do it for all of your screens. You can just do it for the start screen, do it for opt-in, do it for outcome, completely up to you. There are so many different options in this template, and you can move video to the left, content to the right, or video to the right, like in this case, and content to the left. That's up to you. All right, so I'm going to click on this. Yes, I'll be using WordPress. Now, if they say I don't want to use WordPress, then we directly send them to the outcome screen. This is a smart quiz using branching logic. So if they say I'm not interested in WordPress, then there's no point in letting them continue with the quiz because that is not going to work if it's not a WordPress site. It's a plugin for WordPress. Now here you can see, as I said, this has so many options, this template. You can customize each screen, each question differently. So here, do you currently have a membership site? If they say yes, I send them to a different next question. If they say no, I send them to a different question. So let me pick the first one. All right, what are your current frustrations? So they can select any one of these options. You can see the caption is being displayed here. And so they can select one or more different options here. This is a multiple choice question. Your content model. What type of content do you plan to offer? They can watch the video, see what I have to say here, and then go to the next question. Your billing model, right? A membership site has 4 key components: content, access, billing, and delivery. So we are just trying to learn a little bit more. So they can select it, and your access model, how many days of access your members will get. They can select one of these options. And your delivery model. So they can select one or more of these options. Next, you can switch video to the right, question to the left. Each screen can be customized differently. This is really important. Any specific membership features you are looking for, right? Always have an open-ended question so they can let you know if there is anything that you didn't ask in your quiz. Based on the responses, based on the feedback, you can update your quiz and add these additional questions that you are missing in your quiz. Next. Right, so this is an opt-in screen, and they can opt in here. And after they opt in, we'll send them to the outcome where they can see the result, and we'll let them know if DAP can do whatever it is they are looking for or not. And we also have a free gift for you. Sign up below to get free access to a lead magnet planner. So here you can create a personalized video to let them know why they should opt in, what's in it for them, and all that stuff. And then when they opt in, this is the outcome screen, right? It says, yes, DAP is the one for you. And I only have 2 different outcomes. One is to let people know DAP is not the right solution for you because you said you don't want to use WordPress and stuff like that. And another one where we let them know, yes, DAP is the right solution for you. And you can create as many outcome screens as you want and create a personalized video for each one of your outcome screens because it's going to make a difference, right? So let them know how you can help them based on their answers. You know why they landed on this outcome, right? So you can create a personalized video for each one of your outcomes. And here, when they complete the quiz, land here, and we let them know, yes, looks like DAP is the right solution for you. I am ready for DAP, and they click on it. We send them to the pricing section where they can sign up for one of these plans, monthly plan or annual plan. They can pick whatever license works best for them and sign up. So now I'm going to quickly show you how I created this quiz, how I added captions, all that cool stuff. So here, this is a backend of Smart Quiz Builder. This is a Manage Quizzes page. Now this is the new version. Is DAP the right membership plugin for you? Now this is a personality in-page quiz. I'm going to edit this quiz and show you my settings now. All right, so basic settings, give your quiz a name, description, whatever you want to add here, and select type of quiz. This is a personality quiz. Display settings. This is an in-page quiz, and I'm using all the default options. So show start screen, yes. Lead generation, yes. And lead generation should be after they answer all the questions, not before. So I have selected the first option. Again, that's the default option. And you can connect to your email platform. In my case, my email platform is Aweber. I have connected this quiz to my list in Aweber. So when someone signs up after answering all the questions, they are added to a specific list in Aweber where I know these are the people that have been added to that list because they completed this quiz. All right. So add them to your list in your email platform. You can give them the right tag based on outcome and all that stuff. That's what I have done. And the main thing here is towards the bottom, you can see it says interactive video. Autoplay is enabled, and it's enabled by default. And so users can see the video and it will be playing when they arrive on the site, except it will be muted due to browser restrictions. And so, but there will be a click to unmute button that shows up. So they know that it's playing, but it's muted and they need to click the button to unmute it, or they can click anywhere on the video to unmute it. This is the video template. So if you want to do interactive video quizzes, this is a template you should be using. All right, so the next step is the start screen. You can customize each screen differently. Here I'm using video, I'm using split screen. You can see here layout options, I'm using split screen. I have the video question to the left. You can move it to the right. You can use images if you don't want to use videos, or you can just use full width where you don't have to use image or video. I have customized the width and height, and that's because you can see here, this is the layout I'm using. I wanted it to fit in right here. So here, select a video source. You can upload the video to your own site, or you can use link and upload it to Amazon S3, or if you have a video platform you use for your videos, enter that here. This has to be a public link that can be accessed. I have uploaded all my videos to Amazon S3, made the link public, and again, keep the videos short. Don't make the video too long. It's not about conveying everything about your product, right? Just keep the main thing, the main thing. If they are on the start screen, just let them know why they should take the quiz. If they are on the question screen, let them know what that specific question is about, right? So keep it simple. And here you can see splash image. If you don't want to do autoplay, you want to upload a splash image that shows up when they arrive on that screen. You can upload an image. And show video controls. Yes, I want to show video controls. And show video captions. This is a new option we have added here. You can add captions, and we'll be adding more options to this one. Currently, let me show you what we have. So when you click on add captions, I have enabled it. And here you can see to the left, it shows the time, right? So when you play the video, you can see the timer here, right here. So you can copy the time from here and paste it wherever you want. You can see here, this is what I have added. And if you want to add more, click on add more captions. It'll show up here. Enter whatever you want to show. Enter the start time and the end time, which you can grab from here. You can see what the start time is for whatever caption you want to show, and then play it. And you can get the end time and you can enter it here. That's it. All right. Super simple. And close it. This is how I have added captions. Play button color, background color, which is this section color. You can change it right here. And that's it. That's the start screen. Let me show you the outcome screen. Now, this is a personality quiz where you have to create the outcomes first. So I have created two different outcomes. Is DAP right for you? And outcome 2, sorry, DAP is not right for you. And this outcome is yes, DAP is for you. This is another personalized video where I let them know the next steps. And if they say I'm ready, I send them directly to the pricing table where they can pick a license and get started with DAP. And this button that you see, this is the one that you can customize right here. Button customizer, you can enter the continue button URL, which is this button. Where do you want to send them if they say I'm ready? So I'm sending them to the pricing table right here, and I have enabled the pricing. If you don't want to show it, you can turn this off. Pretty straightforward, and everything is fully customizable. Captions, I have added captions for this one too. You can see here, all of this. You don't have to add it for everything. I have added for all my videos though. All right, questions. First add all the questions, then you can enable branching logic, and then you can send them to different next question depending on their answer in the SQB quiz funnels page. All right, so first add all the questions here. So that's what I have done. All my questions are here. Again, I'm using video template, right? And split screen. Here, video question is to the right. I have selected this option. And I have created a video for most of my questions. Again, link. And I have added captions here, as you can see. And question number 2, this one I'm not using a split screen, I'm using full width. All right, so question number 3, you can see split screen. Again, I'm using Amazon S3. I have uploaded it to Amazon S3, and show video controls, yes. Captions, yes. I have added captions, simple. And here, question 4, split screen, video to the left. I'm using different colors just to give it a little bit of a pattern break, right? Don't use the same colors, otherwise everything will look the same. And question 5, different color, different video. Question 6, same thing. I'm using, again, Amazon S3 for all my videos. I have uploaded it and made the link public, and different colors. Sometimes I'm using video to the left, sometimes video to the right. Again, the main thing is pattern interrupt, because it can get confusing if you have too many videos and they all look the same. So I'm using different colors. Here you can see delivery options. Question number 8. Very important to have an open-ended question, like I mentioned before, and you can use all types of questions. You can see single choice, multiple choice, everything you can use here. And I'm using text-based question here. So I have 8 questions. I'm using branching logic. Let me show you how I'm doing branching logic here. So this is a quiz funnels page, and this is the quiz. You can see I have connected the dots here. And the second answer choice here to the first question is I'm not going to be using WordPress. So if they say I don't want to use WordPress, there are no more questions for them. No point in asking them the rest of the questions, right? So I have not connected this node to anything. You can see here, this is not connected to anything. It's free. So they will not see any more questions. They will be sent to the outcome. So that's what I'm doing, right? The rest of the things I have connected. All right, so lead generation screen. This is the lead gen screen. And if you want to allow them to skip opt-in, you can, right? And they can skip opt-in. But if you want them to opt in to see the outcome, you can enable it. And that's what I have done. And here I again have a video to explain to them why they should opt in, what's in it for them. One more thing I have done, which I want to show you. This is in the outcome screen. This is a really powerful feature that SQB has, which is advanced rules. So if they say I don't want to use WordPress, so what I want to do is I want to send them to a very specific outcome. So you can see here I have created this rule where it says if the question is, you can select any question you want. You can create different rules for each question. So I'm saying here, if they select planning to use WordPress to that question, if their answer is I will not be using WordPress, I don't want them to continue with the quiz, I want to send them to this specific outcome that says, sorry, the app is not right for you. I don't want them to have to opt in because they don't want to use WordPress, so my platform is not right for them. So I'm not even getting them to opt in. So directly send them to the outcome and I let them know, sorry, the app is not right for you. And here's the reason why. And I have a video where I explain why DApp is not right for them. Notifications, you can get DApp to send you an email when someone completes a quiz, and shortcode. At the end, it's going to give you a shortcode. Publish it on your WordPress site wherever you want the quiz to show up. And that's what I have done on our site. You can see I have entered the shortcode right here. And in the front end, they're going to see this quiz. The shortcode becomes a quiz, right? Let me show you this. All right, so this is the backend. I'm using my page builder here. And all I have is just this, right? This is the shortcode I have entered here. And in the front end, they're going to see the quiz. All right. And if it's not a WordPress site and you want this quiz on a non-WordPress site, you can use the embed code, grab this from here and enter this on your site. All right. Even if you don't have a WordPress site, you do need to create the quiz on a WordPress site because SQB is a plugin for WordPress, but you can publish and use the quiz on any site. And that's it. You can see how easy it is to create a completely unique experience for your prospects, for people that come to your site, for first-time visitors, and create an amazing experience for them, engage them with your content. They're definitely going to connect with you and relate to your content on a different level when they see you personally showing up and interacting with them in this video format. There are so many different options. There are so many different possibilities in Smart Quiz Builder. You can check out this quiz on our DApp site. Do let us know your feedback in the comment section. I look forward to it. I'll be back soon with more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.